Maintenance of infrared detector. Cover the detector with an opaque object. Wait for it to be activated with a continuous beep sound. This shows the detector is in a working condition. The alarm will sound and red light will appear in the zone detector to indicate which zone the fire is detected. Firstly, press silencer button, which is in yellow, followed by the disable button on the affected zone in blue. Lastly, press the reset button in green to reset the whole system. Ensure that there is no smoke before resetting the system.